And so when we made the switch to a net worth subscription fee, my thought here was, okay, if we're doing net worth, we're fundamentally being paid something on everything we could possibly advise on, and that sort of helps neutralize whether we want to push for somebody to let us manage money or not. And so that's actually been something we've been pretty good about. We've always viewed discretionary investment management as outsourcing for convenience, not outsourcing for results.
Mm.
And so that's something that we've been pretty comfortable with over the last couple of years. But the decision to avoid income from that largely just comes from a feeling like income and net worth is a little bit of double dipping. So, I mean, even going back to the net worth and AUM, we would always remove AUM from the net worth calculation to avoid double dipping there. And that's not to say income and net worth combined is bad by any means. I think I've seen a number of good structures for that. But honestly, net worth can scale pretty quickly. When you're talking about 0.25%, you're talking about $250 per 100,000 of net worth. And out here, it's not uncommon for somebody to have, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. And so when somebody's under that minimum 3,000 line, which would be a $1.2 million net worth, $250 a month is pretty good. That's a pretty reasonable fee all around. At the same time, we have clients under that net worth model who today are paying close to 30,000 a year in subscription fees. Because their net worth is high enough on a 0.25% basis. And if we were to then say to those clients today, hey, now if you want, we'll manage your investment assets for you, that's going to be another $70,000 or so. That's a big number. I mean, at the end of the day, these are reasonable fees by percentage, but these are big numbers. And so net worth has always felt comfortable in that way. Moving to 0.5% of net worth ultimately just comes down to somewhat wanting to try to meet in the middle of where the AUM is and where the net worth is. We're not changing the minimum, but what that does do is say, hey, the fee for planning will start going up if your net worth is greater than 600,000, not 1.2 million.